In this LOCK401 video, we learn how to use the Ultra Decoder.
Here we have an Ultra Decoder made by Sparrows. It is basically a very thin blade, yet pretty strong. For this example, let's take one combination padlock and one combination box. First, we will see how we can open this padlock in just a few seconds using a bypass technique. Secondly, we will see how we can decode this key box easily. To open this type of padlock, just squeeze the Ultra Decoder along one of the wheels and then pry the tool to release the blocking plate inside the padlock, and it opens. Now, let's see how we can use this tool to decode the combination of this key box. Slide the Ultra Decoder on the left side of the first wheel and turn the wheel until the decoder moves backwards. In this case, it moves when the wheel is on number 3. Go to the next wheel and do the same. Second wheel makes the tool move on number 1. We do the same for the third wheel. We obtain number 7. And finally the last wheel, and we get number 2. Now just rotate the 4 wheels by 2 numbers and it opens. So you see, this tool can be very helpful when dealing with combination padlocks and key boxes.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you found it useful, please like and share it. Make sure to subscribe to the LOCK401 channel, and you can also ring the bell to be notified when new videos are released. And of course, don't forget to visit lock401.com to check out our curated collection of lockpicking and locksmith tools. Stay safe and see you next time!